Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 4 delicious ways to cook chicken at home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, these methods are foolproof. So, let's get started. First up, grilled chicken. All you need are chicken breasts or thighs, olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite spices. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Season the chicken with your spices, and brush the grill with olive oil to prevent sticking. Grill each side for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on the thickness. You're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving, and you've got perfectly juicy grilled chicken. Next, let's move on to baked chicken. This one's super easy and perfect for a hands-off approach. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, and herbs. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and drizzle with olive oil. Bake for 25 to 35 minutes, again depending on thickness, until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest and get ready to enjoy a tender, flavorful dish. Now for those who love a good sear, let's talk about pan-seared chicken. Heat some oil or butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, and spices. Sear each side for 5 to 7 minutes, making sure it reaches that magic 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally. A quick rest and you've got yourself some golden crispy chicken ready to go. Last but definitely not least, slow cooker chicken. This is the ultimate set it and forget it method. Place your chicken in the slow cooker with your favorite sauce or seasoning. You can even toss in some veggies if you like. Cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The result? Fall apart tender chicken that's packed with flavor. And there you have it, folks. 4 amazing ways to cook chicken at home. Whether you're grilling, baking, searing, or slow cooking, these methods are sure to make your chicken dinners a hit. Give them a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes.